Super-assemblies are groups of assemblies that you can take off items from each assembly from one place without moving from one assembly to the other. With a super-assembly, in this case, we have a assembly for permits, one for footings, and one for a concrete slab. In the center section, whichever you're on the left, will show you the pre-selected ones from this assembly. On the right, it is additional items that you can add to this assembly for takeoff. If we go back to the first one, the permits, you'll see we've got two items that we are selecting. We can take these off by double-clicking on them. You can add another one by double-clicking on it and basically customize this portion of the takeoff. The same goes for the footing and the exterior slab. First thing you want to do is decide on which assemblies you're going to include in this particular takeoff. We're going to do 12 and 20. We're not going to do permits. So we just click here and it'll untag. So now only the tagged assemblies are going to be used in this super assembly bunch. And we're on the second one. We've got some footing here and some piers here. And I think we'll come down here and just add another pier. And that's good for this one. Then we're going to go, before we transfer it, then we're going to go to the second one, and we don't want the 4-inch slab, we want the 6-inch slab. Then we want to change the location and make this a foundation location. And we'll highlight that and click the Use button. Do a transfer and click on Done, and we'll see our items in the bid. Now we could have had formulas attached and answer questions and automated this whole process, but this is a brief idea of how they work.